Hello students, I hope all are doing good. Today we'll start with the next chapter, that is chapter 5, Microsoft Windows 7. So these are the topics what we are going to cover today in this chapter, that is operating system. Then we have types of operating system, working with Windows 7, Windows desktop, then icons, gadgets, opening a program, Windows control buttons, then shutting down a computer. Then we'll see these now topics one by one in detail. What is operating system? What is operating system? A set of instructions that run a computer is called an operating system. It is also called OS, that is short form for operating system. It is the most important software in a computer. It helps the hardware and the software to interact with each other. Means if any one of these, either hardware or software, is not there, then the computer will not work. So to computer to make it work, we need both, that is hardware and software. Then types of operating system. MS-DOS, that is Microsoft DOS, disk operating system. Then we have Unix, Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows. So for your syllabus today we have is Windows. So we'll see how Windows is and how it works, and what all the features are there in Windows. Working with Windows 7. Windows is the most commonly used operating system. Now wherever you see, most of the places, Windows is the most commonly used operating system. It is used to start programs and manage the input, output and storage devices. It manages the overall functioning of the computer, like managing files, connecting to the internet, etc. We'll see some more what we have with the Windows 7. Going to the Windows desktop. Now we'll see how we'll go to open the Windows 7 desktop. See, when you on the computer, the screen comes like this, that is in the closed view. So here you have the open Windows button. Click on this. If you have set the password, then it will ask for the password, else it will go to the Windows desktop. See, here we have the Windows desktop. Next we have is Windows desktop. See, we will see what are the parts of the Windows desktop. See here, these are small pictures. Can you see here? It is written here: computer, control panel, network, recycle bin. Okay, desktop, folder is there here, this one. And here you have calendar, one gadget is there, and a small app game is there. So we'll see now what are these all called. So these small pictures, what are there? Okay, these small pictures, icons, these on the desktop, these are called icons. What? Icons. Then here you have a button. So this, see, when you take the cursor on that, it shows what it is. Okay, so this is called the start button. And here at the bottom you can see this full blue tab bar is there. So this bar is called task bar. And here this is the notification area, where you have the internet settings, connections and timing. It shows the time, date. Okay, and these small apps here and the right side of the desktop, these are called the gadgets. And this whole background picture is called desktop background. So what is desktop background? The desktop background picture of Windows desktop, this picture, background picture, you can see, this is called desktop background. Then here you have the in the left bottom corner, start button. Start button is located on the taskbar. So this full bottom bar is called taskbar. So taskbar is located on start button is located on taskbar. It is used to open the start menu and access the program. See, when you click on this start button, this it shows the menu of the programs what all are installed in this computer. Okay. Next you have taskbar. Taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop screen. It allows you to see and switch between opened files and also view the date and time. See here, it also shows the date and time here, and it is used to switch between the programs. See here all the open programs it shows here. The notification area is also located on the taskbar, which shows the date and time. Next you have is icons. What are icons? See here, these small pictures are called icons. Icons are small pictures that you see on the screen. Each icon represents a specific function. These are the graphical representation of files, folders or programs. Then you have computer here. See, computer icon is there. When you click on this, it shows all the hard disk, drive, storage devices, all the files and folders inside. See here, when you open this, here you can see this, all the hard disk drives where you can store the files and folders. The next you have is control panel. Control panel icon to change and adjust the computer settings. When you open this, you can find all the computer settings. Then network. Network is what? It is the settings of the internet which is connected to the system to access the internet. Recycle bin. So whatever anything when you delete the file or a folder, that goes and stores in the recycle bin. The next you have is opening a program. So here I will show you now how to open a notepad program. So I hope everyone has understood it here. So next is what? Opening a notepad program. The first step is what? Click on the start button. See here, click the start button. Then here, see here you can see all programs. If you have recently used, it shows here. Else go to the start button, click on all programs. Then next step is click on accessories. Find out where is accessories. Click here on accessories and here you can find the notepad. Then click on this notepad. So here you have the notepad file open. Okay. Next you have Windows control buttons. Control buttons is what? See here, now this is a window. What the open file is there, that is called a window, not the window which is fixed in your home. Okay, this open the screen, which the display visible part of the screen is called a window. Then here the control buttons. See here, when you take the cursor, it shows here. See here you can see minimize, and next is maximize, restore down, then close button. So when you minimize, it minimizes the app, and again when you click on this app, it maximize. So see here, now this window is small size. Then when you click here maximize, see it full restores to the size of the screen. Then here is close button. When you click on this, the application which or the app which you have opened will get closed. The next you have is shutting down a computer. So whenever you finish off all your work, okay, first you need to close, oh sorry, one more before that, you need to close all the apps. So see here, one I have now PowerPoint is open here. So first I need to go here and save the file and close this. So when you close all the apps, opened apps, now you can see highlighted apps are not there. So now all the apps are closed. Then you have to shut down your computer. So to shut down the computer, you need to go to the start button, and here you have the option. See here, here you have sleep mode is there, restart mode, lock off. So now but you want shut down, so click on shut down. So when you click on shut down, you need to wait until the screen turns off. Okay, Once the screen is turned off, then you have to off the power button. Okay students, I hope everyone has understood everything. See now, slowly it is shutting down. So when all the computer settings, it will close the apps and it will get shut down, it will get off, and the screen will turn off. See here students, now the screen is off. Okay, thank you students.